What up? How's it going, friend? So today I'm gonna teach you how you can remove or hide your cat icon from your Shopify ATELIER theme. Okay, if I'm correct, all right. And right there, you're gonna remove it just like this, and it's gonna be just like this. All right. So now let's get straight to the video. Ta-ta! Now the first thing you want to do is you want to come straight to your theme section, okay, and come to your online store and themes, and your Atelier theme should already be there. So right there, I have it here, okay, and I'm gonna click on customize. I'm sure you've already added it. So the moment you click on customize, you're gonna come here to this page, which is the one you saw earlier. And once you do that, you want to come here to header, okay. Just click on header, not this one, this, okay, not this header here. I mean this, okay. Click on header, then scroll down, okay, go down and come to the custom CSS, okay. Then once you come to the custom CSS like this, okay, you're gonna paste something there. So I'm gonna give you access to this doc file, okay, and what you want to paste there is this one that says to remove using CS, okay. So just go ahead, copy that, come back here and paste, and that's all. Forget it, that's all. That's all. All right. So now this is how you can easily remove the cat icon from your Atelier theme. But whatever, maybe you are like, oh, I don't want to tamper with my custom CSS. I don't know, because I'll get a headache when it's fine. Okay, I got you. Let me give you another trick to do that. So the moment you're done with this, maybe you're cool with this, you can just hit on save and you can have a nice day. All right. But however, let's say you're not cool with that. Let's remove that. And yep, so now it's back. So what you can do next is that you can actually use the Atelier edit code. Okay, now don't worry, don't forget it's still copy paste. So click on edit code, and while the code is loading, let's while the editor is loading, rather, let's come back to this doc and let's copy this. Okay, and it's gonna be open just like this. Okay, so what you want to do next is to come into the Explorer, drop down Atelier, drop down assets, then click on base.css, and I want you to go down, baby. Oh, sorry. Okay, I want you to go down. All right, go down there. Yeah, I mean, go down. All right. So once you go down, okay, and you're down there, then right there you want to paste the codes that we copied. Okay, the code, like the code, and hit on save. That's all. It's gone. It's gone. Type it's gone in the comment section. Okay, it's gone. So that's it. That's how you can easily remove the cat icon from your Atelier theme. All right. So that is it. Thank you very much. And also maybe let me still give you one more trick. Yeah, I want to give you. Let me give you one more. Let me just go ahead and remove this, and let me hit on save. And yeah, it's back. So we can also use the custom liquid. We can click on add section and click on custom liquid. And click on custom liquid, then come here to this doc file again and we copy this rather, okay, then come back and paste. It's gone. It's gone. All right. So this is exactly how you can remove your card icon from your Shopify headers page in the Atelier team. Okay. So I believe this video has been helpful. Please, if it is, kindly make sure that you hit the red subscribe button. Help me to, get this page to this channel to keep improving, and at least my aim is to get to 10,000 subscribers. So please support this channel so that we can also get to a whole lot of numbers out there. And I've got a lot of tutorials for you guys, auto tutorials like this for you guys. So please subscribe. And also, even if you don't want to subscribe, at least like the video so that YouTube can recommend it to several other people out there who be needing something just like this. And also share with your friends and family, and possibly they can also learn from this. Thank you very much. I will see you in another video. And please stay safe. Take care of your health as you're looking for ways to make money. Also, take care of yourself so that by the time the money comes, you also will be able to enjoy it in good health. Thank you. See you on another video. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.